Hello everyone, this is Hina Dikari. I hope students that you all are enjoying your study and doing your work sincerely and you all are happy and safe at your places. Yes students. So dear students, you all have done your first chapter, that is integers, and I hope students that you all understood it. So today we are going to start as chapter number 2, that is fractions and decimals. In this video we'll first discuss about fractions basics, because while doing exercise 2.1 we'll use fraction basics and its types thoroughly in our questions. So students, without taking much time, let's discuss our first topic of our chapter number 2, that is the term fraction. And students, I know very well that you all are very well known about the term fraction, that simply we say fraction is a part of a whole. Always we used to say this definition only when we talk about fraction. Fraction is a very general term which work in our daily life as well. For example, if you're taking chapati and you ate half chapati out of full, then mathematically we say that we ate half of the full chapati. And if you are distributing toffees, then there is some total quantity in your packet, right? If you distributed some toffees amongst your friend, then we can find what fraction that you have distributed and what fraction that you have left with you, right students? On the same side, you know very well how to write a fraction. For example, if I write 4 upon 5, we can say 4 divided by 5. You know everyone students, the upper one number is called numerator and the down one is called denominator. And how to learn this, that down one is denominator and up one is numerator. See, down means D, so always the down one is start from D, that is denominator, and up one is the numerator. There is a one horizontal line in between, that is called a fraction. That is called a fraction or divided by, because in fraction we always deal with division, we always divide something. And in fraction, basically we have three types of fraction. First, proper fraction, second, improper fraction, and the third, mixed fractions. Proper fraction, in which numerator is less than the denominator, and improper fraction, in which numerator is equals to or greater than the denominator. And mixed fractions consist of a whole number and a proper fraction, and there are some example along with the figure. I hope students that you are getting this figure along with example. But students, I have seen in many students that many of the students till now they are not understanding, they are not able to tell a quick definition about this proper, improper and mixed fraction. See students, whenever you will understand something by your heart or with your proper understanding, definitely you will not forget that thing whole time. So all these three types I'm explaining you with the help of one simple example. See students, first of all, if I'll say to you that I got 4 marks out of 10, can I get 4 marks out of 10? And in mathematics we can write it 4 divided by 10. 4 divided 10 means 4 marks out of 10, yeah, 4 parts out of 10 parts. So is it possible students? Yes, it is possible. So whenever the things are possible, then it is called a proper fraction. But if I'll say opposite of it, 10 divided by 4 means 10 marks out of 4. Is it possible students? Can I get 10 marks out of 4? No, I can't. So whenever there is no possibility, then it is called improper fraction. If there is improper fraction, there is improper something, so to make it proper, we'll divide it. When we'll divide it, then this improper convert into proper fraction. But there is something left, always be left in the remainder, and that remainder always be a whole number only. As you learned in the class 6, whole number, every number from 0 to infinity, every number is called whole number, and the remainder always you will get 1 2 3 4 14 15 number only. So this is called a whole number. So whenever we'll have improper fraction, we'll convert into proper fraction along with one whole number. So I hope students that you all understood about these all three types. So I want to discuss one topic over here, students, because regarding this topic one question is there in your exercise. So I'm just recapitulating this topic because I know students that you have already done in your class 5, in your class 6. The topic is how to convert mixed fraction into improper fraction. Students, whenever in a question we are having mixed fraction to add, mixed fraction to subtract, then we can't do directly. Always first of all we have to convert it into improper fraction. So let's quickly do it, and for this I'm going to take one example. 1 3 upon 5. Now this mixed fraction, how to convert into improper fraction? There is some certain rule which we have to follow. So step number 1 is multiply the denominator and the whole number. So 5 ones are 5, and this, with this product we will add the numerator, whatever number is remain, that is numerator is remaining, that you will add into that product. So see students, we get 5 into 1 plus 3. The 5 ones are 5 plus 3, that is equals to 8. Now student, this 8 is the numerator. What about the denominator? What will come in the denominator, students? In the mixed fraction, the denominator remains same. Keep the denominator same, it will not change. Only for the numerator we'll do this step, that multiply the whole number and the denominator and add into this product the numerator. I hope students this mixed fraction one term, how to convert into improper fraction, you all understood. I hope students that you all are understood our today's topic, because with the help of these topics only we'll able to solve our exercise 2.1 very easily. So let's start our exercise 2.1. Question number 1 is solve. A part I'm going to take 3 by 5 plus 2 by 7. Now this is a fraction we have to add, but you can see students in this denominators are not same. That we have already done in our class 5 or 6, that whenever our denominators are not same, that we can't do addition, subtraction, even comparing, nothing we can do. So first of all we make the denominator same by taking an LCM. So now the LCM of 5 and 7 is 35. Now 35 is the LCM, 5 7s are 35, so equivalent fraction. So 3 also will be multiplied with 7, plus 7 5s are 35, so the 5 will multiply with 2 as well. So we'll get 7 3s are 21 plus 5 2s are 10 divided by 35 only. Now we'll add the term, because now both the denominators are same. So 21 plus 10 is 31. 31 upon 35. Now let's take one more example, that is 7 by 10 plus 2 by 5 plus 3 by 2. Whenever we'll have number of term in any equation, so the method will remain same. It means to make the denominator same by taking an LCM. So take the LCM of 10 5 and 2, which is equals to 10. Now 10 will be the denominator for all the terms. Now 10 ones are 10, so 7 multiply 1 plus 5 2s are 10. So to make it equivalent fraction, the numerator term will also multiply with 2 only, as you know the rule of LCM. Now 2 5s are 10, so 3 into 5. So when we multiply it, so 7 ones are 7 plus 2 2s are 4 plus 5 3s are 15. Now we'll add all the terms, that is 26 upon 10. So this is our second part. The rest of the part will do also in the same manner only, students. So here I want to discuss one thing, that if the question you are having in a mixed fraction, so first of all, as I told you earlier, mixed fraction will convert into improper fraction. That rule I already told you. Then after converting into improper fraction, then the same method, you take an LCM, do addition, do subtraction, whatever condition being given to you. So this is all about your first question. I hope students that you all understood. It is very easy to solve, so solve it carefully, the rest of the parts which I'll give you as homework. Let's take question number 2. Arrange in descending order. And A part we have 2 by 9, 2 by 3, 8 by 21. So before arranging these numbers into the descending order, we have to make all the denominators same. So let's take the LCM first. 9, 3 and 21. LCM is 63. So this 63 will be the LCM for all the terms. So 9 sevens are 63. So to make an equivalent fraction, 2 also will be multiplied with 7. So we'll get 2 into 7, that is 14. And 21s are 63. So 2 will also be multiplied with 21. 2 into 21s are 42. And the last term, 21 3s are 63. So 8 will also multiply with 3, that is 8 into 3 is equals to 24. So now students, the last term we have 14 upon 63 in the place of 2 by 9, 42 upon 63 in the place of 2 by 3, and 24 upon 63 in the place of 8 by 21. So now you have to arrange these numbers into the descending order. So in descending order, we have to arrange the biggest number first. So the biggest number would be 42 upon 63, which is greater than 24 upon 63, which is greater than 14 upon 63. So this we can also write 2 by 3, which is greater than 8 by 21, which is greater than 2 by 9, because the question we have in this manner only. So student, this is all about our descending order. I hope you understood how to arrange the question in the descending order. Now next question we have in a word problem. A rectangular sheet of paper is 12 1 by 2 centimeter long and 10 2 by 3 centimeter wide. Find its perimeter. So students, we have rectangular whose length is equals to 12 1 by 2 centimeter. It is in mixed fraction. So let's take out an improper fraction. 12 2s are 24 plus 1, 25 upon 2 centimeter. And breadth we have 10 2 by 3 centimeter, that is 10 3s are 30 and plus 2, 32 divided by 3 centimeter. This rectangular sheet we have to find out perimeter. So what is perimeter? Perimeter means the sum of all sides. Whatever figure will have, we'll just add up all the sides. And here we have rectangle, and you know rectangle opposite sides are same. If length is this, the opposite length will be also 25 upon 2. If breadth is 32 upon 3, so the opposite breadth also 32 upon 3 only. Or in short, we can say the perimeter of rectangle is equals to 2 into L plus B. So 2 into length value is you have to put, and the breadth value is you have to put, that is 25 upon 2 plus 32 upon 3. Now you just solve the bracket first. As the rule, you know, according to board mass, always we have to solve the bracket first. Okay, so it will become very easy, that your calculation become very easy if you solve your bracket. Let's take an LCM first of all, because denominators are different. LCM of 2 and 3 will be 6. So 2 3s are 6. So 25 3s are 75 plus 3 2s are 6. So 32 2s are 64. So when solve our bracket, 75 plus 64, it will be 139. Denominator will be divided by 6. Now we have 2 into 139 divided by 6, which will be 278 divided by 6 centimeter. So this will be the perimeter of rectangular sheet. But students will have question in mixed fraction, so let's take out this question also in the mixed fraction. How we'll take out into mixed fraction? We'll divide the term, and if we'll divide the term, we'll get 46 2 upon 6 centimeter. So this is the perimeter of a sheet. Now coming to our next question. Our next question is, Salim wants to put a picture in a frame. The picture is 7.3 by 5 centimeter wide. To fit in a frame, the picture cannot be more than 7.3 by 10 centimeter. How much the picture is trimmed? See students, the question is saying that one picture you are having whose breadth is given to you. Breadth means, wide means breadth, broad, how much broad the picture exactly is. So it is already given to you 7.3 by 5 centimeter, and he wants to put the picture into a frame. But if you want to put in a frame, it is a condition that picture should not be more than this much, that is 7.3 by 10 centimeter. So he has to trim that picture. If then only it will fit into the frame. So how much he has to trim, that is a question only. So let us understand this question in a more simple manner. Suppose you are having a picture whose breadth is 6 centimeter, okay, and you want to put in a frame, and the frame you can say breadth is 4 centimeter, okay. So you want to put your picture into a frame, so you have to trim that picture. And how much you will trim that picture? Yes, you will do minus 6 minus 4, which is equals to 2 cent. It means 2 centimeter you will trim that picture. Got students? So let's start our solution. Picture width is given to you 7.3 by 5. So it is in mixed fraction. We have to convert into improper fraction first. 7 5 is 35. 35 plus 3 is 38. So 38 divided by 5. And the required width is 7.3 by 10. Again we have to convert into improper fraction. 7 tens are 70 plus 3, 73 upon 10. So how much we have to trim? As I told you, how much we have to trim, so we have to do subtraction. So we'll do subtraction. 38 by 5 minus 73 upon 10. So now for subtraction, this denominator are not same, so we'll make it same first of all. So though after taking LCM of 5 and 10, we'll get 10. So 5 2s are 10, so 38 2s are 76, minus 10 ones are 10, so 73 ones are 73. So after doing subtraction, 76 minus 73 is equals to 3. So 3 upon 10 width should be trimmed to fit that particular picture into that frame. So this is all about our exercise 2.1. I hope you all understood it very well. Students, with this video I'll attach one PDF file in which I'll give you questions solved as well as unsolved. Both type of question you will do in your notebooks in nice manner. Solved questions, and after it unsolved question you will do by your own. Okay students, so till then, bye bye, take care and stay home and stay safe. If you like it, then like and subscribe it so that you will get all the notification of my videos on time.